In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to batch create invoices in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Let's get started. First, launch your QuickBooks Online Advanced. Click Create and select Batch Transactions. Choose Invoices to start creating multiple invoices at once. Enter the customer for each invoice. QuickBooks automatically fills in saved details like the customer's email, payment terms, and invoice number. Then select the product or service. Enter the quantity if needed and use the plus button to add more line items. Repeat the process for additional customer by scrolling across the batch screen. If you need to send the same invoice to multiple customers, right-click the invoice now, select duplicate row for multiple customers, choose the customers and click next. Before finishing, review your invoices and make any changes. You can edit details, remove products by selecting clear, delete an invoice row if necessary, or customize the columns to display only the information you need. You can also import invoices from a spreadsheet if you already have your data prepared. Once everything looks correct, click Save to keep the invoices for later or choose Save and Send to email them directly to your customers. And that's it. That's how you can quickly batch, create, and send invoices in QuickBooks Online Advanced, making your invoicing process much faster and more efficient. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.